The National Weather Service confirms an EF1 tornado touched down near Minden last night, just over a week after the town was nearly leveled by an EF3. Thanks for joining us. I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. We brought you the breaking news this time last night. Emergency managers say the storm damaged 7 properties and a hog farm. Now, everyone is okay.
Hundreds of homes were impacted by those Arbor Day tornadoes, leaving families throughout the state stunned and figuring out what comes next.
But a local law firm says they're here to help storm victims through that recovery process. KETV News Watch 7's Maddie Augustine is here and gets the facts. Maddie.
Rob, Julie, Legal Aid of Nebraska tells me people are just now hitting the point post-tornado where they can step in and assist on the legal side, whether it's insurance related or recovering lost documents. They say they are here to help even if people don't realize they need it.
It's painful. It's an incredibly painful process.
It's a process Legal Aid of Nebraska works to make less painful for those in need, providing legal aid after a natural disaster.
This is our way to help Nebraskans get prepared and also respond effectively and efficiently to a disaster and when it strikes and to essentially get their affairs in order.
Lori Hairdale, Executive Director of Legal Aid Nebraska, says at this point, most families impacted by the tornadoes should have already handled the immediate priorities.
I need a roof over my head. I need to make sure that my kids are safe. I need to make sure I have food on the table, right? The legal issues are generally a little bit slower to start.
And now is when legal aid comes in. For homeowners, Hairdale says they can assist with filing claims, but typically the most difficult part is negotiating settlements.
Insurance companies are going to be pretty quick to want to give a settlement offer.
Her advice, don't accept a settlement right away.
Talk to an attorney to make sure that what you're getting is fair and that it's adequate coverage and that it actually is coverage per your policy.
And for renters, Hairdale says to start by getting a copy of your lease.
So much of the response on that is going to be driven by the lease that they're in, right? Leases, oftentimes contemplate these types of disasters happening.
From there, legal aid can help determine how to terminate your lease or address any other issues you may be having. Hairdale says they can also assist in the process of applying for FEMA or other government assistance. They can even help with recovering important documents like lost birth certificates or social security cards. And all you have to do is call their hotline to get started.
There's no cost for our services. They are free to folks who are eligible for our services.
Legal Aid of Nebraska says they don't want storm victims to worry about whether they're eligible or not. Just give their hotline a call and they will help you from there. That number is at the bottom of your screen and in this story at KETV.com. You can also go to their website at ladrc.org to learn more. Rob, Julie, back to you.
Great resource. Thanks, Maddie.